This is the Evans DB1 kick drum head here. This is the 20-inch model. I've been beating these up pretty good for a couple of days now, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. They sound great, but this kick drum head in particular is fantastic. It still sounds like a kick drum even when you have it on your kick and it's super low volume. So one cool feature about this guy is this middle patch. It's actually sticky, and you can rip it off here. Doesn't harm the head at all. You can rip off the patch and you can stick it back on. Doesn't have any issue sticking back on. I've ripped this off on the other head that I have down here on the kick, and I've had zero issues. One cool feature about this guy, it comes with this massive foam ring on the back so the head doesn't get too flabby when you're playing it. And then down here, so I have the kick drum set up here, and let's silence those snares real quick. It still sounds like a kick, and you can tell that it's low volume because you can hear kind of the pedal sounds coming through even when I'm hitting it. But when I'm practicing drums here, let me grab my sticks, it all works together. So you can still hear the kick. It works really well. The cool thing about this patch here too, this patch is covered in a plastic. So unlike some of the tom heads here, this particular one has that plastic patch, and it allows you to be able to have a felt beater right there rather than always having to run plastic, because felt kind of eats through the fabric style patches if you're not careful. So if you're in the market for a low volume kick drum head, this thing is fantastic. You can move that patch around to adjust for how you like your kick drum. It doesn't have to be dead center. So if you're in the market for a low volume kick drum head, this is amazing. I highly recommend it.